Mother's Joy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ano
There we
yung
go.
gown?
All right.
Doon
So,
na yan. Thank you.
first up, we have
Bell.
we have Belle and Cloud over again. Cloud, do better, okay? We want you to win. Up next, hi. We also have what's your name?
Beth.
And oh, you want to talk to? Beth and Yuri, hi, hello. And of course, I know you were competitive, but okay, don't bark at me. What's your name again for everybody? Cheska and Luna right here. Good luck. And hi, hello. What's your name, ma'am?
Agi.
Aji and
Tiny.
Aji and Tiny. Tiny wants to play already. Last but not the least, hi, super cute. What's your name, ma'am?
Karil.
Karil and
Jamba.
Jamba. All right, so super fur moms can be compressed in the middle.
So cute.
Let's have our take. Let's have our quick photo opportunity right here.
Ano yung camera?
Okay, all right. Our next game this afternoon is called Scooby Says. Now, Super Fur Moms, listen very carefully. We're going to have our trial round right now. I want to know, have you taught your Super Fur babies some tricks? Do they know tricks? Do they go with your commands? Do they follow? Yes? Perfect. All right, sample trial round. For our trial round, I'm gonna say a command, and it's up to the fur moms to make their super fur babies be obedient of the command. First in our list, trial round, okay? First command will be sit, okay?
Ang galing ng career.
All right, can we help? Oh, there you go. Okay, we're good with that? Oh, okay, we're gonna guard that. All right, so trial round, Scooby says sit. Now for 5 seconds, you have to make your fur baby sit down for 5 seconds, all right? The fur baby that stands up or do something else will be out of the round. But this one will just be a trial. Let's do it. Trial round. Scooby says sit. Countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. All right. So it's like that, okay? So your pets will have to sit down for 5 seconds. All right? Okay. I think we are more than ready to start our actual game. We are. Super Fur Moms, can you make your fur baby stand up first? Just to be fair for everybody. Nakafix na. All right. Can we have our super babies stand up first? Stand up first. Just to be fair. All right. One question before we start. Super Fur Moms, are you ready? Yes! All right. Okay, here we go. Scooby says for our first round, Scooby says, sit. Countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our checkers.
Shit, nakakita.
We gotta check. That was a walk in the park for 2 of our doggos.